Whether a child can form a company in Nigeria, the answer is both yes and no. Let's get right into it. Now, to form a company in Nigeria, there are provisions under our law that displays or lists out categories of persons who are qualified to form a company in Nigeria. Now, age is one of them. A person below the age of 18 years cannot form a company in Nigeria. Now, in contract generally, in business generally, when you want to talk about principles of contract, you want to talk about sale of good acts. Now, you want to look at who has the capacity to contract or enter into a contract of sale of good or an agreement to sell. These are two different contracts that you can form when you're into buying and selling. When you want to form such a contract, it requires that the elements of a valid contract must also be present before a person can do or enter into such a contract. Okay, so you must be of age before you can enter into such a contract. So under this comma, you must also be of age. When you are below 18, it means that you cannot form a company in Nigeria. A person who is disqualified under section 281 and 288 of this act, which relates to directors, cannot also join in the formation of a company. Somebody who is of unsound mind cannot also join in the formation of a company because he is not coordinated. He cannot take rational or reasonable decisions. So he is also not qualified. He lacks the legal capacity to join in the formation of a company. An undischarged bankrupt cannot also join in the formation of a company. But with respect to a person who is below the age of 18 years, where there are two or more persons who are not disqualified under this section with respect to age, where those two or more persons have now signed the memorandum of association, it means that such a person who is below the age of 18 can join in the formation of the company. So this is the only ground upon which a person who is less than 18 years can join in the formation of a company. But a person of uh, that is less than 18 years on his own or her own cannot join in the formation of a company. So know that in Nigeria, a person cannot on his own or on her own, knowing that fully well I'm not yet of age, I am below 18 years, cannot take steps toward form a company except he is forming that company in connection with adults who are not disqualified under the provision of this act. Okay, so this is Zivial Law Essence. Here we bring you premium legal tips to help you make informed decisions, live informed life, and discover the best version of yourself. We'll see you again. Bye.